What is the largest land animal? Option 1, giraffe. Option 2, elephant. Option 3, rhino. Correct answer is elephant. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Option 1, tiger. Option 2, lion. Option 3, bear.
Correct answer is lion.
What animal can fly? Option 1, dog. Option 2, fish. Option 3, bird. Correct answer is bird. Which animal is known for its ability to change colors? Option 1, frog. Option 2, chameleon. Option 3, turtle. Correct answer is chameleon.
What is the fastest land animal? Option 1, horse. Option 2, cheetah. Option 3, leopard. Correct answer is cheetah.
Which animal is famous for its long neck? Option 1, elephant. Option 2, giraffe. Option 3, kangaroo. Correct answer is giraffe. What type of animal is a dolphin? Option 1, fish. Option 2, reptile. Option 3, mammal. Correct answer is mammal. Which animal is known for its intelligence and use of tools? Option 1, sparrow. Option 2, crow. Option 3, eagle. Correct answer is crow. What is the largest mammal in the ocean? Option 1, shark. Option 2, blue whale. Option 3, dolphin. Correct answer is blue whale. Which animal is known for its strong sense of smell? Option 1, cat. Option 2, dog. Option 3, mouse. Correct answer is dog.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.